Hello, my name is Carolyn Little. I'm going to teach you the breath of fire pranayama practice. This breath is great for cleansing our energy systems. It's good for uplifting our energy to bring in more prana. It helps to strengthen our nervous system, which is great when we're experiencing higher amounts of stress. Strengthening your nervous system is also helpful if you are someone who is a highly sensitive person. So being a highly sensitive person, you can really feel the impact of certain situations, and you can even feel what others are experiencing, which is a beautiful quality because it helps you to be empathetic. But it really requires that you do practices that strengthen your nervous system. The breath of fire, it also helps to repair the balance between our sympathetic and our parasympathetic nervous system. So our sympathetic is what kicks in, it's our fight or flight or freeze. And our parasympathetic is our natural state of calm when we can restore. It helps us to release toxins in the lung, in the mucous linings, and in the blood vessels and other cells within the body, as well as it boosts our immune system. So this practice is a pumping of the abdomen, of the navel, back towards the spine on the exhale. So first key thing is to discover if you inhale and expand the belly, and then exhale, contract the belly. And if you're not sure about that, go ahead and reference my other video of do you breathe backwards to find out. So for this practice, the belly is going to expand as you inhale, and it contracts as you exhale. And it's going to be at a rapid pace. So it's a pumping of the navel back on the exhale, and the inhale becomes almost automatic following the exhale. It's in and out through the nose. But if this is new for you, a good way to practice this is by panting, just like a dog, how a dog pants. So you're going to open the mouth first and then go ahead and pant, snapping the navel back on the exhale. Good, now close the mouth and keep going. Perfect. So that's the breath of fire. When it's new, your pace might be slower. If you've practiced longer, it might be more rapid. It's almost like a bouncing of a basketball of the navel drawing back towards the spine. So come to sit upright. And I just want to offer too, if you're pregnant or if you're on your menstrual cycle, you will not want to do the breath of fire. So you can take a pranayama practice that is more long, deep breaths in and out. When you are practicing this as well, if you feel dizzy or a little lightheaded, that's normal. You might get a little tingly, that's okay. You can take a pause, take a long, deep breath in and out, come back into the practice. So go ahead and elevate the spine, lift up through the crown of the head, relax your shoulders, open through the heart. I'm going to invite you to bring one hand to your belly so we can use this as our gauge to really follow that navel point and the pumping. Close the eyes. Inner gaze looks to the third eye center at the center of the brow. We're going to take a deep breath in. Exhale it all the way out. And then inhale halfway and begin. Good job. Keep going. Spine straight. Mind's eye to the third eye center. That navel point pumping back on the exhale. And take a deep breath in. Suspend the breath, hold. Soften the face, soften the shoulders. Engage the pelvic floor, draw the energy up. And exhale out. Bring the hands to the knees. Backs of the hands to the knees. Thumb and forefinger together in Gyan Mudra. And come into stillness. Let the breath return to its natural rhythm. Receive the effects of that practice. When you're ready, go ahead and open the eyes. Good. So I hope you're feeling a little bit lighter. We're stoking our inner fire, which is called our Agni, and we're getting that fire going right at the navel point. And that's helping to burn out any stagnation of energy, any energy that feels stuck or heavy. So if you've been feeling lethargic, or you're just not that motivated, this is a great practice to do. Also, if you're experiencing brain fog, this is a great practice to do. So we just did it for 1 minute. We're going to do it for 3 minutes now. So go ahead and refine your posture, lift up through the crown of the head. If you want that gauge of the hand to the abdomen, you can have it there, or you can bring your hands to the thighs, thumb and pointer finger together in Gyan Mudra. Eyes will close, inner gaze to the third eye center. And go ahead and take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Inhale halfway. And begin. Navel snapping back. Nice job. Keep going with that breath. Keep your focus on the navel point. It's contracting on the exhale. The inhale becomes automatic on the release. You're doing great. 1 more minute. Nice and steady in that rhythm. 30 more seconds. Keep the posture lifted. Inner gaze to the third eye center. And deep breath in. Hold the breath. Soften the outer body around that fullness of the breath. Relax the face. Lift the pelvic floor. Draw that energy up to the crown. Exhale out. Come into stillness. This point of stillness after any pranayama is when you can fully receive the benefits of the practice. So from this seat of the witness, observe what subtle shifts have occurred in your inner space and in the quality of the mind, in your energy. When you're ready, you can open up the eyes. If you'd like to sit longer in your meditation, feel free. I hope you're feeling brighter, more energized, clear, and just know that you can use this practice anytime that you need to lift your energy to get that clarity and to help strengthen your overall system and overall being. Thank you.